Hi there, I'm Alex Cunningham, and I'll walk you through this Notion tutorial step by step. Let's jump right in.
Welcome to today's tutorial. If you ever feel overwhelmed by a flurry of ideas and tasks that pop into your head but aren't sure how to capture them all quickly and neatly, then this video is for you. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to set up and use a Notion brain dump box, which is a simple, elegant system to capture tasks, thoughts, and creative sparks instantly, helping you stay organized and stress-free. Let's jump right in. The first thing we'll do is use the free brain dump box template. Why? Well, templates in Notion are like ready-made blueprints. They save you time and they already have a professional look built in so your workspace feels polished from the get-go. If you're someone who gets stuck designing pages from scratch, this is a huge help, and don't worry, you can tweak and personalize things later to fit your exact style. To find this template, head to the top left corner in Notion. You'll see a little drop-down with more options. Give that a click. If you've never browsed templates in Notion before, this is your gateway to literally dozens of layouts that can supercharge how you work. Next, select Browse Templates. A new window will pop up where you can search for just about any kind of template. In this case, we're typing brain dump box. Depending on your workflow, you might also search for a master database or other similar templates. Feel free to experiment here. Notion search makes it easy so you don't have to scroll endlessly. Once you find a template that looks good to you, it'll usually show a quick preview. If it fits your needs, hit Add. If not, you can look through a few options until you find one that feels right. No stress if it takes a couple trials. Think of it a bit like shopping for a notebook or journal. You want something that just clicks. Now, with your brain dump box added to your workspace, it's time to make it yours. Here, where you start entering your credentials, creatives, or anything else you want to dump in. Don't overthink it at this stage. The whole idea of a brain dump box is to capture things quickly without bottlenecks or self-editing. For instance, maybe you just remembered you need to email your accountant, or you got a flash of an idea for a blog post, or you spotted a household errand. Drop it all in. Think of this as your digital catch-all, a place that clears your mind so you can relax knowing you won't forget anything important. And if you want to go a step further, Notion makes it very easy to customize your brain dump box. You can rename it, play with colors, add icons, or create custom properties. For example, you might want to distinguish between personal and work tasks or tag things by urgency. Don't worry if customization sounds tricky. Notion is super flexible, and you can always start simple and adjust later once you get the flow. The key is to make this box work for you, just like how you'd rearrange your physical workspace to suit your habits. Honestly, that's all there is to it. Setting up a brain dump box in Notion is fast, it looks great, and it's incredibly simple to update over time. You'll find it so much easier to catch ideas and keep your day on track. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit that like button and share your own brain dump strategies in the comments. And as always, subscribe if you want more easy Notion walkthroughs that help you get things done. See you in the next video.